Bonjour et bienvenue, your French Summer Passport homework for DP1 students. This summer, you're invited to begin your French journey through a series of creative, real-world missions that explore both language and culture. This activity is specially designed for DP1 students. Whether you're new to French or have just a little background, this is a low-pressure, high-enjoyment introduction to the Francophone world. So grab your curiosity, your notebook, and a sense of adventure, and let's go. 1. Checklist of all 10 missions. You'll find a list of 10 flexible, hands-on tasks ranging from watching a short French film, listening to a French song, creating a visual day in Paris, trying a recipe, or learning a French dance, writing your name in French graffiti style. Your goal: complete all 10 missions over the break. Each mission encourages you to use your creativity, interests, and environment through writing, drawing, photography, or even short videos. Download the checklist PDF from the website or school platform. Keep track of your progress as you go. 2. Sample word list with pronunciation. Help start building your vocabulary toolkit with useful words and phrases like Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles? J'aime. Merci beaucoup. With English translations and pronunciation tips. This list is your first step toward real communication. Practice with a friend, record yourself, or shadow a video. Download the word list, PDF plus, watch the companion pronunciation video. 3. Reflection section. At the end of your summer mission, take a moment to reflect. Which mission did you enjoy the most? What surprised or challenged you? How did it feel to use a new language in real life? Write in English or try a mix of English and French. There's no wrong answer. You can even reflect with sketches, journal entries, or photo captions. Download the reflection prompts PDF and jot down your thoughts. 4. My French word. Bank. Create your own mini dictionary from the words you encountered during your missions. Choose 5 to 10 words you liked, whether they were fun to say, interesting to write, or useful to remember. This is the beginning of your personal French resource library. Get creative. Write, illustrate, or even make a collage. Download the word bank template PDF and customize it. 5. Postcard from France. Creative writing prompt. Imagine you're on a summer trip to France, Canada, Belgium, or any Francophone country. What would you write home about? Include a few French words or phrases and describe what you saw, did, or ate. Make it fun. Decorate it like a real postcard with a stamp and visuals. Download the postcard template PDF to bring your story to life. What happens in June? Bring your completed passport in the first week of school. You'll have the opportunity to share your favorite mission, talk about what you discovered, display your creative work, maybe even win a surprise reward for completing all 10 missions. Final note: this isn't about tests or perfection. It's about exploring French with confidence and joy before we dive into our IB curriculum. Use this summer to discover what you love about French, whether it's the food, fashion, films, or fun phrases. All PDF resources can be downloaded from the school's online portal. Merci beaucoup et félicitations en avance.